Good Wednesday morning. It was Wednesday, August 19th, 2026. So I'm headed to the school. Now I just gotta pack everything in my car. I'm heading to the school to drop all my rubbish off. I don't plan to be there forever. There's something I was gonna grab from here. I think it was an extension cord in case I needed one for the microwave oven. Even though I don't think I should be my own personal cords, but here, 1 second. Sorry guys for the video. But I'm gonna have to, oops, sorry. But I'm gonna have to use unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use a cord of my own. Because they don't give us anything over there. So I gotta get a little converter thing. They don't give us anything to work with, so I gotta bring a lot of my own rubbish. Okay, there we go with that. I think I'm catching a cold, unfortunately, because I feel rough today. I just feel so icky. I didn't eat anything either today, so that don't help at all. Well, that's okay. Just want to get here, get this done, and come home. That's all I want to do. I turn this air purifier on just because. I need to get my stool out of the shed. I gotta clean this shed today. I'm gonna do that when I get home. Even though I'm gonna be exhausted, but whatever, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. So I'm gonna log off and I will see y'all when I get to the school. Good Friday morning, y'all. It is Friday, August 21st, 2026. It's currently 9:30, well, a little after 9:30. I didn't vlog at all this week. I vlogged, I think, one day super quick, and then that was the end of it. I just wasn't feeling it. I had my neighbors over on Tuesday. We had a barbecue. We had yeah, we did a bunch of stuff. So it was, yeah. So it was a busy week. I didn't really pick up the camera. I was having some issues with it, actually. Now it's working, so I've been refrigerator shopping the last couple of days. Mine in here is finally, it's 35 years old and it's finally now. I mean, it's working, but it's struggling. And it's constantly running. Constantly. It's just not good. I can't keep having it running and using all this electricity. And who knows if it's gonna go. It's been leaking water on the floor, and I just got this floor did in here, and I just, yeah. As much as I don't want to, because I hate everyone I looked at. They're all junk. They definitely don't make them like they used to. And the guy at Lowe's told me, he's like, you'll be lucky to get 5 to 10 years out of a newer one without having some sort of problem. So I'm just paying the extra money and getting the warranty as much as I can, because they're not cheap. Those junk things are not cheap. I'm sad because I really don't want to get a new one. I'd rather just keep the old one that's good, but I know it's not very energy efficient either, so that's like the big thing nowadays, so whatever, you know. So it's getting here today at some point. It'll be good. I mean, whatever. I'm not gonna like it. I'm not gonna like anything, but it is what it is. I mean, I can't change it. I have to get a new one. I mean, this one's still working, but how long I'm gonna have with it, I don't know. As the temperature is turned as high as you can have it. And the fridge barely gets to 50 degrees if it's hot out. So if it's, now once winter comes, it'll be fine. But I don't know. It may not make it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't want a new one. I don't want a new one. I hate everything I've looked at. It's all junk. Every bit of it is junk. Oh well. Hopefully pretty soon it won't be my junk to have to worry about. I'll sell this one for cheap. I mean, it still works. That's the problem. It's the door seal that's bad, and I can't find one for it. Or I'm just not looking in the right place. I don't know. But I'm sad to see it go, because I don't want to get a new one. Not at all. Now I had to take all my food out today. I'd like to cook a chicken on the grill tomorrow. That's what I would like to do. But I don't know. I have like these big ducks in there. I should do a beer can chicken, because they have the little racks somewhere. I think they're in the cabinet over there. Because they don't take long. I just gotta thaw it. I don't know, I've never cooked a beer can chicken before, so I don't know how the hell you do it, but Phil used to do them all the time. I think I have a chicken in there. I don't know, like I said, I have to go through a lot of food in there. There's stuff that I can probably get rid of. I don't know. I don't think none of my stuff is gonna fit in this new one because the freezers are so small now and the shelves on the doors are so small. They think I'm stupid and I'm like, no, the shelves are a lot deeper on my older one than these new ones, but you can try to convince me all you want. It doesn't. They're all junk, so. But I didn't get the one I wanted. It was just too pricey. It's like, do I wait until that one goes down in price? I don't know. But then this one's starting to act up, so I don't know. I really don't want to get rid of it. I really don't. My gut's telling me you're making a huge mistake. Because it's going to be nothing but problems. And my gut's probably 100% right. But guys, like, I recommend you get warranties. Get warranties, get the extended warranty. Get as much protection as you possibly can. He's like, otherwise you're going to be paying for it. So. And this one lasted 35 years and not an issue, and it still runs strong. I think it would be fine if it wasn't for the door seal. So that's frustrating. Oh well. Life goes on, and if it shits the bed, the new one, then that's why I said I should probably keep this one aside just in case, because you don't know. If I had room in that old shed, that's where I'd put it. Because you just never know. Oh well. So I'm gonna let you all go. I gotta get in the shower. I gotta get ready for the chaos that's about to go on. And we'll check in later. Good Saturday evening, y'all. It is Saturday, August, what is it? August 22nd, 2026. I'm logging on late tonight. I spent the morning, well, my new fridge I got is on the fritz. It's freezing everything in the fridge compartment, and it's turned as low as you can do. So I don't know what the issue is. And then I went to go visit Sue and Peanut Marie. So I got to see my girl today. It was nice. And then, yeah, it's smoky. There's a fire nearby. So that's wonderful. I can feel it because I can't breathe. Wonderful, hey? Looks like it's gonna rain. I don't have much more days. Unfortunately, summer's almost done. Oh well. It'd be nice to get back to work. It's been a lonely summer for me. I'm ready. Oh yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a storm. That's okay. The leaves are changing. Things are getting... Yeah, I hate it. You definitely have smoke in the air. I think I'm gonna sit on the porch, have a snack. I wanted to have a fire, but the propane is out. So, oh well. So not much has happened today, other than that little bit of stuff. Yeah, you could see a storm coming in. You could see the smoke too. So I'm probably gonna turn on Elmer, sit on the porch, chill, relax. I'll probably pick up the camera later, or I will talk to you tomorrow. Good Sunday afternoon, y'all. It's Sunday, August 22nd. 23rd, 2026. It's currently cold out. It's super cold. It's like 50 degrees out right now. Not enjoyable at all. But it's cold, that's for sure. Yesterday, like I said, was an interesting day. Friday, I got the fridge, and I'm regretting every minute of it because it's junk. I had to take everything out of the freezer today because it keeps thawing, freezing, thawing, and then the fridge is freezing. Just a mess. I hate it. I want the old one back. I don't like this new thing. It's junk. But it is what it is. There ain't no going back. Yeah. I'm cooking our chicken in the oven right now. You can't switch this. There's my chicken roasting.
It's 5 o'clock.
And it's 5 o'clock. And here's what the shed looks like. It's not so much of a disaster anymore. But yeah, I hate that fridge. Oh, I hate it with a passionate. But there's nothing I can do. So I gotta cook this chicken, and then after I cook this chicken, I'm gonna shower. And then I got laundry to do. And that's it. I cleaned the house today. I did all that. The Ramba vacuumed upstairs and downstairs, so that's good. I get paid this week, which is nice. Some training days. And this is my last week. And we're back to school already. I'm ready. I'm ready to go back. Now football season by the fire will be starting. Fun, it'll be fun. It'll be nice to get back. It's too lonely here. So it'll be nice to have like co-workers to talk to, and those damn finches are just loving my garden. I don't know what it is. I think I'm gonna get together with the Lacostes one more time this week. I have a bunch of stuff for tacos, so I think we're just gonna do that. Ooh, look at this chicken. It's so divine looking. See? Ooh, yeah, look at that chicken. I gotta put some of the drippings on it. I'm gonna have to add some more water to this. I like having this hot water machine out here. I gotta check the temperature of this chicken. Wait 1 second, let me put using a better spot here. There, now you can see me. Ran out of seasoning. But yeah, I don't have a baster out here, which I should get. I will not get a used baster because it's gross to me. So I'll just buy a brand new one. For out here, I'll be cooking my share of Thanksgiving or Christmas, I'm sure. I'm gonna have to take this turkey's temperature, or this chicken's temperature. This thermometer is broke. That's right. Or maybe it isn't. Oh no, it's not broken. I like my digital one, because I can't read on there. This isn't even close to done yet. Yeah, it's only 46 degrees. I think I'm gonna rotate it. Yeah, that's the fattest part of the chicken. Yeah, not good. So I'm gonna rotate it. I'm just gonna use, I have some pair of tongs out here. I'm just gonna grab it and rotate it here. If I can, without dropping the duck all over the floor. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh no, ooh, bad chicken, bad chicken. Come on, oh, ooh. The bottom of this does not look appetizing whatsoever. But I think it's what's best. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in the oven here. It's does. Yeah, I have it on 450. I'm gonna have to steal some more of these wipes from. Well, not steal, but I have to order some. These are 4 thermometers. Like this. I can't remember where I got them from. I ordered them somewhere. It is really cold out right now. Very cold. Just gonna keep that hot water there. Oh, this chicken's gonna take some time. I was gonna go for a walk, but now it looks like it's gonna rain, so now I don't know if I wanna go for. Sorry, the timer interrupted me. So yeah, like I said, I just gotta do laundry. I put clothes away from the last laundry. Now I gotta, do more laundry. And that's it. It just never ends, I tell ya. But I'm gonna let y'all go, and then I will chat with y'all when dinner's done.